Do you love the idea of a self-cleaning litter box, but have a larger than average cat? I'm Megan with WTI, and I think that this Neakasa M1 litter box might just be the thing for you. It has an open top design, which makes it great for really big cats like Maine Coons. This is my friend's big boy cat, Elliot. Having this one means those problems of him fitting in there or possibly getting stuck in there, those things are completely eliminated. My friend was pleasantly surprised at how it looks too. It kind of has this modern, sleek look. When it goes through its cleaning cycle, it moves really slowly and pauses at certain points. This all keeps the amount of litter that ends up on the floor to a minimum. It can be left completely unattended without any need of attention for several days, and this is really good for Elliot's owner, since sometimes she has to be away for a few days at a time, and even though I know that she worries about him when she's not with him, having this self-cleaning litter box will help to put her mind at ease a little bit. I have found this litter box to be so impressive in its design, function, and its features. But that's just my point of view.